How to create ultra realistic talking AI avatars in minutes. No one will know. Imagine creating a video of yourself speaking perfect Spanish without actually learning a word, or bringing historical figures back to life. With AI avatars, this is now extremely possible, and I'll show you how to do it in the matter of minutes for free or even cheap. So let's blow some minds. Firstly, you're going to choose a tool for ultra realism. Now, I recommend something like Synthesia or HeyGen that we're going to be using. Now, they both have free trials, so today I'll be using HeyGen, and it's user-friendly platform. So to do this, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to heygen.com, and right here you can go ahead and see their pricing plans. So they have the free plan, the creator plan, team plan, and enterprise plan. So you can go with the upper plans if you want to, but I'm going to simply sign up for free for myself. And once we do that, it brings us here. So it says get started with HeyGen. We recommend using a work email to easily collaborate with your team. So what you're going to want to do is just add in your work email right in the section. Now, once we do that, we're going to ask it to send a code for us. Now, as you can see, it goes ahead and sends a code straight to your email. So what you're simply going to do is you're going to wait for the HeyGen verification code, and it should reach you pretty quickly. So I've just gotten my code. It's 574652. So once we add it over here, we're simply going to click on verify. Now from here, it's going to simply ask you to add a strong and well-developed password for yourself. So just go ahead and do that. Okay. And adding a strong password is really important nowadays on websites like these, because obviously hacking has become pretty common in now's world, especially with softwares like these. So just go ahead and log in, choose your plan. Again, you can go with the upper plans if you want to. That's obviously dependent on you. I'm simply going to choose the free plan and stay on it. Now it's going to say select your preferred language. We're going to go with English. What brings you to HeyGen? I'm going to go with personal, but you can go with work or student work as well. Now, what best describes you? You could be a hobbyist, a content creator, or even something else. So I'm going to go with a hobbyist and click on continue. What do you want to create first? Pick the type of video you're more excited to make. They're going to help you get there fast. So let's say I want to go ahead and make an interactive character or an interactive avatar, because that is what we want. And once we're here, this is where the main magic starts. Now, you're going to go over ahead to create video in the top left. Now here, what you're going to do is you're going to choose the dimensions of your video. Okay. Now I'm going to go with a portrait video for myself, and it's going to take us straight into HeyGen's editor. You're going to choose an avatar. HeyGen basically offers you 100 plus diverse photorealistic avatars, so pick the one that suits your needs. I will say that a pro tip is that you could use custom avatars. So if you want to clone yourself, it does require uploading a video of you speaking. So if you want to do that, you can do that, but you can also choose the millions of avatars that HeyGen generally provides you. So as you can see, if we move this slider along over here, you can see the different avatars you have. So I'm going to go with this avatar over here, and you can obviously adjust the positioning of the avatar according to yourself. So once this is done, what you're going to do is you're going to write your script. So you're going to type what you want the avatar to say in the text box. So here, I'm going to go ahead and write in, hi, today I will be talking to you about, let's go with something like quantum mechanics. Okay, we're simply going to write that in for ourselves. And you can also choose the voices that this girl has. So I'm going to go ahead with her own voice, but you can add your own voice as well, by the way, just saying. You can choose accents as well. So let's say I want an Australian accent, and voice engine, you can use that as well. I'm going to go with 11 Labs. And once that is done, let's go ahead and play it out and see what it gives us. So,
hi, today I will be talking to you about quantum mechanics.
So you can play it over here as well.
Hi, today I will be talking to you.
And obviously do know this, that you can hear the general audio of your text.
Hi, today I will be talking to you about quantum.
So as you can see, that's how it's going to sound. Now for the animation to move, you are going to want to wait for it to actually be exported and submitted. So for that, we're going to have to wait. I'm going to till then increase the size of the avatar. And once we increase the size, you can also go ahead and choose any other avatar that you like. I'm going to stay with her, but you can go with the real avatars as well that look more realistic. You can add different texts like captioning, subtitles. Now that obviously depends on you, whatever type of video you're aiming to achieve. You can also go ahead and add different consistent medias for yourself. So let's say we want a nice, decent background. So let's go ahead with a background like this, right? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on set as background. And as you can see, this is how it's going to look. I'm simply going to center her. There we go. And once that is done, you can also use different elements for yourself. So there's different shapes. There's going to be different frames where you can add in different, individual videos and all. There's stickers that you can use. There's icons. So again, on you. Then there's great caption sections as well. So let's say I want to go ahead and use these captions over here. Okay. So as the video goes on,
Hi, today I will be talking to you about quantum mechanics.
as you can see, the captions work along with you. And finally, you can choose a general background color as well. So once all of this is done, what you can simply do is click on generate. And you can also choose the different resolutions, but obviously you are going to need the upper plans for that. So I'm going to stick with 720 pixels. And once all of that is done, simply click on submit. So once we click on submit, as you can see, it takes us into the loading and the video has now been submitted. Now what's going to happen is you're simply going to come over to your projects where you're going to find the video to, be generating. So it's going to take a small time, it might take around 5 to 10 minutes, but depending on your internet and on the system you're working on, it might even, start working in the matter of minutes, in matter of 2 or 3 minutes. So what you're going to want to do is just wait along with it. And once it's ready and good to go, your rendering is going to be done in minutes and you will have a video of your avatar speaking naturally. So just download it and share it. No one can guess it's AI. If you also want a free alternative, you can try D-ID or Synthesia's free plan. Use cases are explainer videos, personalized marketing, or even creating content in multiple languages overnight. So always disclose AI use if required, because, it's just more ethical to do that. So now go ahead and create it. If this amazed you, do make sure to subscribe along. And, just in time, our video is generated as well. So let me go ahead and show you that as well. So this is what it basically looks like.
Hi, today I will be talking to you about quantum mechanics.
So as you can see, that looks incredible, and that is what you can expect from Heijin. So that is pretty much all there is for this video. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the foreseeable future, do let me know down in the comments below and I'll be making a whole lot more for you. And also do make sure to share this video around with your friends and family or anyone in need of this video, because that truly helps me out. So yeah, that is pretty much all there is. Again, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, share this video around, and I'll be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.